Okay guys, I just got out of the shower from washing my hair. I am going to take you guys with me today so I can get my hair done because I'm tired of it being out, whoop whoop. So I have to go blow dry this mess and I will be back. Okay guys, so I am in the car. I am on my way to my hairstylist so I can get this in some braids. I'm ready to get this hair braided. I can't keep this hair out for too long because I'm gonna end up cutting it off. And it's okay if I go back bald. It's all right, it's just hair. I should be arriving there in 10 minutes. Okay, so I have arrived, ready to get my hair done. Okay guys, keep watching.
Yeah.
Period. Okay.
I have it.
Yes, look at this. Y'all quit playing with your girl. Okay, guys, I am back and my braids are fresh. Look at these braids. Y'all, when I tell you she the coldest, under an hour and a half, these braids are done. Got these jumbo box braids popping off. You guys like, because I'm feeling back to normal, okay? To not have to hassle with my hair or anything, such a blessing. So I'm going to go get my eyebrows done next. So I will see you guys when I get there. So I've made it to the threading place where I get my eyebrows threaded. They are looking a bit a mess, so let's get these bad boys cleaned up. Hopefully they don't have a long waiting here because I ain't on it. So I'm finally in the chair. I think I waited 30 minutes. It's packed in here. Good, how are you?
I'm good, and thank you for waiting, okay?
Oh, not a
I'm the
problem.
only one who work here, and it's like so busy.
No
So
problem.
eyebrows?
Yes.
Okay, it's good. So it's natural, right?
Yes.
Oh my God, looks so nice.
Thank you.
Don't put the fake one.
No, I
You
won't
lose
put
your
any
own,
fake
yeah.
lashes. Yes, I like my lashes long.
So nice.
Thank you.
लगाउन लाएको कति कुराहरू मागेर यिनलाई हैरान पारेर त घरि के मागेर बिहान फेरि कागज फिजाएर दिएको त्यही छु बडी चाहिँ त्यही भएर त आज मान्छेहरू पर्खेर गरेर गयो क्या भोलिको कारणले गर्दा
Only eyebrow, no tinting, no lashes today.
It's okay.
you can see.
Okay, I'm back. Look at those brows, baby. I'm out here looking like some new Slim, okay? Hair done, brows done. Now it's time to go to the car wash. I need to get my nails done. But I think I gotta save that for a different day. I gotta take advantage of it. I gotta take advantage of that monthly pass for the car wash, y'all, okay? I keeps my babies clean, okay? Slate gotta be out here. She gotta be out here looking good. I am home now, and I actually forgot to film an outro for the video, but I am home. Skincare is freshly done, okay, period. But anywho, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, all of that good stuff. And I'll see you guys next time. Love, peace, and hair grease, period.